Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make cashew almond vanilla cake which turns out super delicious and soft. So let's get started. To bake the cake, here I've got a pan in which I've added some salt and placed a utensil stand, and I'm going to preheat this setup at medium flame for 10 minutes. Later in this video, I will also share the instructions for OTG and convection. Take half cup cashew nuts, add them to your mixer grinder jar and make a fine powder. In a bowl, take 1 cup yogurt. I'm using plain yogurt which does not have any salt or sugar in it. Whisk the yogurt till it becomes smooth. Then add half cup milk at room temperature and mix well. Now add 1 cup powdered sugar, 1/4 cup melted butter, I'm using salted butter, and 1/4 cup oil. Use any flavorless oil, do not use mustard extra virgin or peanut oil. Then add 2 teaspoons vanilla essence, half cup milk powder. Give it a good mix. If you want, you can reduce the ingredients by half and make a smaller cake. Next, add the prepared cashew nut powder and mix well. Now sift together 2 cups all-purpose flour, that is maida, 2 teaspoons baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda. Sift the dry ingredients. You may sift a little at a time and then mix. Use a whisk to remove the lumps. If you want, you can directly use a spatula, but I like to use a whisk first and later switch to a spatula. Scrape the sides using a spatula and fold 4 to 5 times. To bake this cake, here I've got a rectangular cake tin lined with parchment paper and greased with oil. It's 8.5 inch by 4.5 inch, but you can also use a 7 inch or 8 inch round cake tin for this recipe. Or you can halve the ingredients and use a 6 or 6.5 inch round cake tin. Tap the mold to remove air bubbles and finally add sliced roasted almonds. Roast the almonds on a pan for 4 to 5 minutes at medium flame, then slice. And now you can see the OTG or convection instructions on the screen, but I'm going to bake this cake in my pan. So first 20 minutes at medium flame, and then you need to lower the flame and bake for another 35 to 40 minutes. If you halve the ingredients and make a smaller cake, the baking time would also reduce. The cake is done and it's well risen with nice light brown color on the sides. Insert a knife or a toothpick or a skewer. If it comes out clean, that means your cake is done. So now I'm going to let it cool down. Do not remove it from the mold unless it becomes warm to touch, that is, you are able to touch the mold. This cake is now completely cooled down. I'm going to tap the sides of the mold. It makes it easier for the cake to come out. Tip the mold and remove the cake. Look at the nice brown color. Slice the cake and serve it. This cake turns out super delicious. You can store the leftover cake in an airtight container in your refrigerator. Before serving, just take it out of your refrigerator and let it sit on your counter for some time, or you can microwave it for 10 to 12 seconds. Look at the beautiful texture. Nice and soft cake and super delicious because of the cashew powder and milk powder. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!